Stop spending money on store-bought ginger. What if I told you that you can grow an unlimited supply of ginger right at home, with almost no effort? Whether you have a backyard or just a small indoor space, this method will change how you grow food forever. Stick around till the end for my pro secret to get faster, healthier growth. Let's get started. Ginger is not just a spice, it's a superfood. It boosts immunity, improves digestion, and adds a rich, zesty flavor to your meals. But did you know store-bought ginger is often chemically treated to stop it from sprouting? That's why growing your own ginger is the best way to get fresh, chemical-free roots year-round. Benefits of homegrown ginger: 100% organic and fresh, saves you money, requires very little space, grows indoors or outdoors. First, you need the right ginger to plant. Look for ginger pieces with small buds. These are called eyes and are where new shoots will grow from. Step 1. Preparing your ginger soak. The ginger root in warm water overnight to remove chemicals. Cut it into sections, ensuring each piece has at least one eye. Step 2. The perfect pot and soil. Use a wide, shallow container. Ginger grows horizontally. Use loose, nutrient-rich soil with good drainage. Step 3. Planting and watering. Place ginger 1 inch deep in soil, eyes facing up. Water lightly. Ginger hates soggy soil. Want faster and bigger ginger growth? Here's my secret method. Secret hack number 1. The banana peel trick. Bury a banana peel near your ginger. It releases potassium and boosts growth. Secret hack number 2. Bottom heat equals faster sprouting. Place your pot near a warm spot, like a sunny windowsill or on top of your fridge. Ginger loves warmth. Secret hack number 3. The easiest way to keep it moist. Use a spray bottle to mist the soil instead of heavy watering. This prevents rot and encourages steady growth. Patience pays off. In about 8 to 10 months, you'll have fresh, homegrown ginger ready to harvest. But if you need a quick supply, just snip off small pieces after 4 to 5 months and let the plant keep growing. Harvesting tip: gently pull up the plant and cut what you need, then replant the rest for endless ginger. And there you have it, your very own never-ending supply of ginger. No more store-bought ginger, no more waste, just pure, organic goodness. Question for you: what will you make first with your homegrown ginger? Tea? Curry? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who love gardening. Let's grow together. Outro music fades in.